Good evening, you're watching Mumbai Alert News. We begin with a major political development from the national capital, New Delhi. The National Democratic Alliance, or NDA, has officially announced Maharashtra Governor C.P. Radhakrishnan as its candidate for the post of Vice President of India. This announcement comes at a crucial time in the country's political landscape, as parties gear up for the high-stakes vice presidential election of 2025. On Monday afternoon, leaders of the NDA declared their unanimous support for C.P. Radhakrishnan, describing him as a seasoned administrator, an experienced politician, and a leader with an impeccable reputation. His candidature is seen as a move to project stability, experience, and inclusiveness at a time when the nation's politics is witnessing sharp divisions and intense debates. Radhakrishnan, who is currently serving as the governor of Maharashtra, has been widely regarded as a non-controversial figure with decades of political experience. He has worked in both state and national politics, gaining respect across party lines for his measured statements and administrative efficiency. Earlier today, visuals from the Delhi airport captured the moment of his arrival, where he was warmly received by senior NDA leaders. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, Union Minister Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarapu, along with several other dignitaries, were present at the airport to welcome him. The warm reception reflects the importance the NDA is placing on this election and on Radhakrishnan's role as its vice presidential candidate. Cameras also captured a brief but significant moment of unity as top leaders walked alongside him, making it clear that the NDA is putting its full weight behind his candidature. The mood among the leaders was upbeat, with slogans of support and chants praising the choice echoing at the airport premises. This announcement has sparked discussions across political circles. Analysts suggest that by choosing C.P. Radhakrishnan, the NDA is sending out a message of inclusivity and integrity. His long-standing association with the Bharatiya Janata Party, coupled with his administrative experience as governor, makes him a strong contender for the vice presidential post. If elected, Radhakrishnan will play a vital role as the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, ensuring smooth functioning of the upper house of parliament. At a time when parliamentary proceedings are often disrupted by heated debates and protests, the role of the vice president becomes even more significant. His ability to maintain balance and order in the house will be closely watched. Meanwhile, the opposition is yet to officially announce its candidate for the vice presidential election. However, sources indicate that talks are ongoing within the India alliance to field a joint candidate. The opposition has been critical of the Election Commission and the NDA's approach in recent weeks, and the upcoming election is expected to witness sharp political exchanges. Political observers believe that if the opposition fails to present a strong consensus candidate, the NDA's nominee is likely to secure an easy victory, given the ruling alliance's majority and influence in parliament. The vice presidential election is scheduled to take place in the coming weeks, and the political battle is expected to intensify as both sides gear up for campaigning. The Vice President of India is not only the second highest constitutional authority in the country but also plays a critical role in maintaining democratic processes within Parliament. As the countdown begins, C.P. Radhakrishnan's candidature marks a decisive step for the NDA, showcasing its confidence and unity ahead of the elections.